channel. On your screen, we are looking at the stock price of Redbox Entertainment Inc. And today the stock is down 17.84%. Redbox Entertainment, as you guys might remember, was going to be acquired by Chicken Soup for the Soul. And the core business of Redbox Entertainment is it has kiosks from where you can, it dispenses DVDs, Blu-rays, and other entertainment media. They also have a side business where they maintain similar kiosks for other businesses, and those are other types of dispensers, not specifically for DVDs and such media. Yesterday, Redbox closed at $7.40. Today, it opened a bit lower at $7.35. Today, the stock has traded anywhere from $6.01 all the way up to $7.65. The 52-week range for Redbox Entertainment is from $1.61 all the way up to $27.22. Volume today is a bit low at 4 million compared to an average volume of 22 million. We still have about 2 hours to the close of market, and right now we are on a downward trend. Do remember that on Monday, that's going to be the 4th of July, and so stock markets will be closed on Monday the 4th of July, which is the US Independence Day. So as you put your trades in today, do be careful and bear in mind that Monday the markets will be closed. So looking at the monthly, you can see the spectacular rise of Redbox Entertainment, and then it soured with investors as they pulled their money out, and the stock has just been in free fall since then. You can see that it actually went as high as $17.11 or thereabouts, and now it is trading at about a third of where it was. So very mitigated month for Redbox Entertainment. Anyways, I will leave you guys to contemplate what we just discussed, but Redbox Entertainment today is down by 17.70% and trading at $6.09. Good luck with your trades, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one, and have a great holiday weekend.